So, hello ma'am, I'm Stephanie Marisi Malatabon from BSIS 2B. And now we're going to explore SUMP and setting up a basic project. So first, let me explain what is SUMP. SUMP is a free open source software package that allows users to create a local web server environment for testing and developing web applications. So what is SUMP used for? SUMP is an open source software package that provides a local web server environment for testing and development. It helps you test web applications locally before the deployment, ensuring they function correctly on a live server. So what is the purpose of Apache and MySQL? So Apache is the web server that processes requests and servers web assets and content via HTTP, while MySQL is the database that stores all your information and easily queried in format. So, start na tayo. First, so dapat we're going to install this SAMP application. Pero na-install ko na siya. So we're going to SAMP control panel. And then we're going to start the Apache and MySQL. And then punta tayo sa files. Files, then Windows. Windows, SAMP, and then docs. Then we're going to make a new file, new folder. Tapos we're going to we're going to rename my first project. Sa loob ng file na, sa loob ng folder ng my first project is mag-a-add ulit tayo ng folder. I'm going to make again a folder. Tapos, rename natin siya in HTML. And then now, okay na yan. Then now, we're going to our VS Code application. And then here, HTML. Ano ito? Ano ba? And then, ano ba ito? Wait. Open natin yung HTML folder. Tama ba? Ito. Here.